I guess this is the entrance and people are coming out? Which way is the entrance? Totally not clear. Alright, that was pretty weird. I think I just came through the exit. Yep, I did. Whoops. My bad. Hey world, this is KK with Pedestrian Street Photography, and once again I am here in Shanghai, China to shoot another POV of street photography. Today I am in my neighborhood, which I don't usually do, but today I'm gonna make an exception because it's getting cold. It's New Year's Eve and I really don't feel like going downtown, freezing my butt off, fighting the traffic. So I'm just going to walk around here in my neighborhood and snap some shots and hopefully not irritate the locals too much. I didn't really expect it to be this crowded. And I think this is probably going to be a disaster number 2. One thing I really do like about Shanghai is there's always plenty of people to shoot. There's a cracked mirror on this bike. I don't know if I can get a cool reflection in it or not. Not quite. My focal length is 85, but autofocus doesn't know what to do with this. I'm going to switch to manual. Oh, I'm missing a shot. Suck. I don't think that turned out very well. I guess you'll find out. Fruit market, a couple of birds hanging here. Not super good shots. So one of the reasons I started this project of street POV videos is that I want to change and grow as a photographer. I think for a long time I really haven't been creative enough, so I'm hoping that this project will force me to start changing the way I look at things, changing the way I stop and look around and take photos. I'm certainly not doing this to become famous or become a professional photographer. I really just want to improve my process. I'm definitely getting a lot of stares. I don't know why they think they can just stare at people, but you know, foreigners in China, especially in this neighborhood, not very common. It's one of the reasons I usually avoid taking photos in this area, just because it is so unusual. Oh, the guy turned the wrong way. Damn. And every time I do take a photo, definitely draws more attention. I feel like this is going to be an exercise in futility. And that's another reason I'm doing this channel. I kind of want people to see that you have to fight through your own fear and nervousness and anxiety to shoot people, especially when you're up close to them. Just took a couple shots from the hip, but I'm sure they did not come out. So I'm heading to a little grocery market. A lot of fresh fruits, vegetables. Chicken. Live fish. I kind of wish I had a wider lens. Oh, fucking woman just stepped right in my way. One thing about walking on the street is that a lot of people are just oblivious. They just have no sense that other people are walking. They don't look where they're going or who's around. They'll just back up into you. I'm used to that though. Quite used to it. Oh, look at this guy. So interesting, these fish. I think that guy just ruined my shot. Oh, great opportunity. Oh, this woman is bumping into me. I hope I got a shot. I'm going to keep moving because I do not want to be the focal point of crowds that gather. Got a shot of a guy sorting fish. I kind of want to stand around and wait for a customer to pick a fish, but I'm worried that if I stand around, I will just attract more attention, and I do not like attention. So this probably won't be a very long POV video today. I really just want to give you a flavor, a sense of the neighborhood market. I'll probably walk around the block and maybe go through the park that's nearby. I think I got a couple shots of people playing badminton. Maybe not good shots. I like the look of these lanterns, even though they're really cheap and very ordinary. I think a lot of people are buying some snacks and foods for New Year's Eve tonight. I don't know if I can get a photo of those people in line. Might not make a very interesting photo, but just like to document a little bit. Waiting in line is part of life here in China. Alright, time to enter the park. I guess this is the entrance and people are coming out? Which way is the entrance? Totally not clear. Alright, that was pretty weird. I think I just came through the exit. Yep, I did. Whoops. My bad. So this is a park not far from where I live. Always plenty of activity here. If I don't take any photos, then I will just cut all of this right out. Let's try 1.4. Take a few more and then I'll move on. I don't know what I got, but you'll see in a moment. This guy over there doing push-ups, I guess. Definitely should switch to my 35mm lens, but hello, 你好。
集体劳动，你叫俺不开心不跳舞啊？就是美国人说，哎，集体劳动也没开心的。
It's not very often that people say hello, but it's always nice, a nice feeling when someone does say hi, especially if they say in English. Someone was shouting hello to me. I waved back. Okay, I think I'm gonna end this video now. To all of my Western viewers, I want to wish you a very safe and happy New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, whenever you're watching this. Happy 2022. To all of my Chinese viewers, as I also post this to Bilibili, I want to wish you 新年快乐, a very happy year of the tiger. Okay, I'm back for a moment because I have to catch this. This sign quite clearly says that the exit is over there. But so many people are using the wrong place as the exit. Whatever. Okay, I thought I was done, but I just saw a woman that I wanted to shoot, but then she disappeared. So I'll record just a little while longer and edit, edit, edit. Edit is your friend. Ripple delete is your best friend. I didn't mean that, bestie. If you're watching, you're still my best friend. Ripple edit is just a good friend. I don't know what that motorbike just ran over, but it was pretty loud. But I think maybe there'll be an interesting shop or two down this way. But my hands might be too cold to hold the camera. Just shot a gentleman eating his dinner inside his shop. So often I see such interesting people and I just want to take their photos, but I really worry that I'm going to make them upset. So it's definitely something I have to keep practicing, keep working on. Oh, I had a shot, and then she moved. This woman is tying up a crab. Hope I got the shot. Wow, just saw a woman with her whole face painted in some kind of traditional makeup. I missed the shot. That is one thing about street photography. It is an exercise in repeated failure to make the shot or catch the moment, and it doesn't last. You don't get a second chance. You just hope you catch the next one. I think that is something that I love about street photography is no matter how many times you go out with the camera, you're always going to see something unexpected, something exceptional, something beautiful or interesting. And sometimes you take a photograph of it and you freeze that moment in time. And you can share that moment with anyone. Okay, it's too cold. My hands are getting really, really numb. Maybe I'm gonna drop my camera, so. Again, Happy New Year. Catch you in the next one. 再见。